It's the boys' birthday today. They're 5 years old.
Guys, I'm stuck in there.
Come on, boys.
I couldn't in there because it was too hot.
Did you have a special day in school today?
Yeah.
What'd you guys do?
We got my name. We got our name on the board and a happy face.
All right, come on, let's go.
I had a cupcake ready.
Put your hats on and hold hands.
And there was Target! My face!
And where are we going right now? Where are we going right now?
Target!
To do what?
To get our present.
You're gonna get a present today. A happy birthday present. Amazing. You want to get a couple of these little amazing Spider-Man bags?
I want to get.
Oh, you want to get a couple of Transformers? Those are tokens. How about a Minecraft box? Want to get a couple Minecraft boxes?
I'll get this. This is Squish-tastic. I want to get a Minecraft box.
Squish-tastic?
I want to get a Minecraft box, and then we can get something else.
Yeah.
We can get a little thing and then a big thing.
Sure.
Okay.
Here's the toy section. Let's go.
What the?
Boom. All right. Anything you want, guys. Anything you want. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Ray and Rylan.
Careful.
Happy birthday to you. How old are you now? On the count of 3. 1,
2,
2.
3.
Hold on. On the count of 3. Ready? 1, 2. Look at Ariana. She's so cute. Oh, ready? 1, 2. That's a. All right,
Let's make it more.
Let's do it again.
All right, no more,
All
Dad.
right, ready?
Let's
Last
just
one.
do it.
Okay, on the count of 3. 1, 2.
Mark, come on.
3.
Yay!
So guys, show me your new presents you got today.
Daddy, let me get this. This is Minecraft. This is what do I can do? This is the Minecraft.
Whoa, that is crazy.
This is the Minecraft that Look at the
Are you
teeth.
serious, Ray? That's a
Look at
Minecraft.
the teeth.
That's a Minecraft bow and arrow.
Look at the teeth.
Oh, that is
Raw.
a lot of teeth. Now, what's the name of that guy?
Megadominus Rex.
Megadominus Rex?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yeah, because it's spine. And he has a much bigger scale.
Ari, you like the Megadominus Rex? Ava, do you like the Megadominus Rex too?
Angelee loves this guy.
How about you? Angie, you like the Megadominus Rex?
Look, even it can move the tail.
She's so serious.
Look,
She
and
just woke
the
up.
tail could move, the legs could move, and the arms could move.
Awesome. Maybe we'll play with that a little later.
Oh.
All right, Ray, what are you doing?
Oh, they're called the Mega.
Why are you licking that?
They're called
Did it get some cake on it?
They're called the Mega. They're called the
Show us how you shoot it. Shoot it this way. Ready? Set.
Minecraft.
A Minecraft bow and arrow. Ready?
Minecraft bow and arrow.
Go. Do it again.
Take up this.
No, Rylan, that's dirty. Don't do that.
Gross.
Don't do that.
I'm gonna
Angie, she wants to
Do it again, Ray. Go. Yeah, nice. Nice.
Look how big this is.
That guy's huge.
It's 100,000 pounds.
100,000 pounds? I like it. This is my favorite part. This is my favorite part right here.
I know it.
You actually press it and then press it again and it goes down, right? Right. Did you know that? You press it and press it again. It goes down. Yeah, press it again hard. Here you go, see? Nice.
Like an axe. Look, guys, look.
Green, why are you licking Ariana's hand? All right, you guys ready to cut your cake?
Yeah.
Let's cut your cake, guys. All right, guys. All right. It's Ray and Rylan's birthday today, and we're having a birthday party for them. We got the girls in the car. We got the boys in the car. Mommy's in the back. Hi, guys. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, you little boobs.
How old are you today?
5.
You're 5? How old are they, guys? Angie! 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 How old are they today, you little silly? Daddy! Yeah! Alright guys, so it's Ray and Rylan's 5th birthday today, November 4th, and we are going to have a party. We invited a whole bunch of their friends, and we're going to the YMCA. There's going to be a bunch of bouncy stuff and lots of food and candy. What's it say?
Team Blue.
Go Blue! Rylan, come here. Let me see your sticker. What's it say again?
Go Green.
Go Green! Give me 5. Yeah, baby.
Let me know who your favorite color is. Go green or go blue. Leave a comment.
You want to jump in there too? Huh? You want to jump in there too? No? Hey guys, who's ready for pizza? Oh, Ray, those shades are so cool, dude.
Yeah.
They're so chic and hip. Love you. Thank you so much. What an awesome surprise. Is it dirt cake time?
Like dirt cake.
Do you guys know what dirt cake is?
No.
So yummy.
What is it?
It's cake that's dirt.
No.
Dirt cake has worms in it. Here it is. Here's the dirt cake. Oh.
You're gonna do the same thing, okay, buddy? You want to try that? Here, so I'm gonna give you this one.
Ew, there's worm in there.
Pull it out. There you go. There you go.
I want to.
How is it, guys?
Good.
Is that amazing?
Yeah. Cause it's not dirt.
What is it then? I thought it was dirt.
Chocolate cake with whipped cream and gummy worms.
It's like, I think it's Oreos. The dirt's made out of Oreos.
I'm gonna scoop it and you're gonna scoop it out, okay?
What are you doing? What are you doing? She's team blue and team green.
How about team green?
Say thanks to Mama Chair.
Thanks, Donna. Thanks, Mama Dear. Thanks, Mama Dear.
It's good enough for me. Remember when you did world's largest gummy bear? World's largest gummy worm? Do you guys watch Ray and Rylan's YouTube channel? Anybody? You remember when he did the world's largest gummy worm? This was the same cake that they did it with. Mama Jerry's famous dirt cake.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Yay!
Happy birthday,
Ray and Rylan.
Cha-cha chicken!
birthday to you.
Cha-cha chicken!
Ready? Blow it out!
What are you doing? Stop. What?
You got stuff all over your cheek.
What do I have?
Black stuff.
Black
Yeah,
stuff?
it's like black and
Can you
brown.
not put the camera?
It's a little green too.
Just leave it to my husband.
Now your cheek's all red, hon.
Let's get out of here.